everyone, with Eddie Olczyk alongside and Ray Ferraro down at the ice. This is Mike Emmer. This evening, a clash of two great hockey teams for you. Eddie, your thoughts?
Two teams that have two well-crafted games. Key to this game is who stays to their game plan will win this game.
We have a thrilling evening of hockey ahead. Lin Xiaoping's got the puck, and they get to make the first play. It's an onside play. Back in the defensive zone towards center ice. Stad's carrying it along the side. He's got that pass at the point. Lets it go. Sticked away. Puck grab. What's next? Takes that one. An outstanding pass through center ice. Out in front. Marvelous save. No time on that one.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
Centering pass. Got his pad on a changing shot. Out at the blue line. To the half wall.
Not much going on now. It looks a little bit like a tennis match where they're just bumping the ball back and forth to each other. No attack yet.
Oh, what a move to get by. Snapped it off. Oh, stick save. Sends to the point. Good standing poke check. Picks it up in his own end. Gets in, looks over his options here. Got it in the slot. Lin Xiaoping's got it in center ice. Good shooting place. Hey, lightning-like glove save. His free went off somebody. Great save, point blank.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Stad's in control as they travel up the wing. Good, solid defensive play with the stick. Gains the zone. Looks ahead to start something. A shot. Solid pad save. Lin Xiaoping's controlling play. Stad's moves with it up the wing. Shoots. And a save. Skating with it now in the defensive zone. Still on the move up the boards. Fires! Batted off the glove. Shoots one. Stad setting things up in neutral ice. Back in his defensive end to get it. Through. He takes that one right ahead. Good pass. Wrist shot. Didn't get through. Solid pad save. Great job on a cut pass. Keeps it going along the boards. Wrister. Terrific glove save. Lin Xiaoping's in possession along the boards. And that one's off the glove. Trying to go to Johansson. And he steps in. Lets it go. Oh, and he missed the net. That's the end of the first period. A period that only a goalie can like. Nothing. Don't
forget, fans, if you're here with somebody celebrating a birthday tonight, go to our guest services booth and they'll see their name up on our big screen before the end of the game.
Stad's still in this thanks to their goaltender and saves like this one. More in a moment. Eddie, we're about to enter the second period here. What did you think of the opening period of our game?
I know we don't have a goal in this game yet, Doc, but you got to give the goaltender some credit. There were some quality chances on both sides, especially some of the second.
Big drive. He caught it and he holds on. Good job on the draw. Banked right ahead. Farjestad's carrying on up the wing. On the outside, a shot. Got that. Tremendous scoring chance. Muscled long to Eriksson. Got his pad on that one. Nice face-off in front. Takes that pass up the boards and stays. Has that point pass as well. Great blocked shot.
He's not very effective now. He's banked.
Gets a little drop off from the goalie here. Good place to shoot from. He can start some danger here. Oh, how can they miss that pass? Farjestad's in control as they travel up the wing. Great move there. Let's see if he can get something going. Outstanding save. Oh, they had a great chance. Linköping's trying to get it going along the boards. Save. Seeks the corner. Perfect pass. Farjestad leaves the defensive zone. Shoots. Terrific shot, but a great point-blank save.
Terrific stop from right in front of the net, but you got to find a way to put the puck in the net.
And offside is called on the play.
Well, this shift had to seem like an extra minute for him. He was banged up earlier on it. Still gets out to block the shot.
Neutralized face-off win. Farjestad's in possession as they move up the wing. A shot. Lightning in that glove. He's got it frozen. Not easy. We have passed halfway through the second. Nothing up on the score sheet yet. Solid, clean win. Possession established on the pickup by Johansson. Pass cut. And we get a penalty here. The referee strides over to hand it out. Roy is headed to the penalty box. A minor for tripping.
Well, in desperation mode, all he was trying to do was sweep the puck away, but unfortunately caught the player's skates.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number one. Face-off win here. Lets it go. Right at the net, and he got his pad on it. Gets in. What'll he do? Farjestad's controlling the play at center ice. Turned a shot on net. Save! Linköping's back in its own end, trying to work forward. He's alone! Didn't handle it very well. Free puck. He's got it. Oh, what a stop.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goal.
Power play over.
Roy's back in the game.
Shoots. Wonderful stop.
Great recognition.
Could be trouble near the line. No room for a pass. Wide of the net. Oh, close call there.
What a scoring opportunity. He had 6 foot in net to look at. He missed every bit of it.
on the pickup. A good stick there, so no complete pass. Gains the zone. Heading down low. Down the half wall. Down the half wall. What control. Puts one on. Oh, terrific save on a great chance. Snapping a pass to Roy. Puck loose. Strong defensive play by Johansson. Carried to the corner by Roy. Players tired, about to get a rest as we go late into the second period. Beat him on that one. Let's go, a wrist shot. Wonderful save on a terrific scoring chance. Let's go, a wrister. Got his stick on it.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
Clean win on the draw. 2 periods have been played. They've worked pretty hard at it, and they get a well-deserved rest. Third period coming up shortly.
Hey fans, don't forget our 50-50 draws coming up in the middle of the third period. Get your tickets now. That pot continues to grow.
Gustafson's terrific save has kept his team in this game. Intermission is coming up. Third period about to begin, and we are still looking for our first goal. Loose puck, solid defensive play there. Shoots. Oh, great save there. Not much room to work, but he got a good shot away.
Not a lot of room to score from in that area. Great save.
Nap by Eriksson. Farjestad's in control of the puck up the wing. Extra man over the boards on this delayed penalty call. Oh, broke it up. And we get a penalty. The referee to the tables. Lin Shoping's been assessed a minor penalty. 2 minutes, and the call is tripping.
He's got great stick positioning on the ice, but unfortunately takes the skates out from under him.
Farjestad's power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet. Defensive zone win.
2 minutes for tripping. Time of the penalty.
Knocked off the puck.
45 seconds.
Got that pass near the blue. Outstanding offense met by solid goaltending.
Oh, the goalie was screened on that shot. You got to rely on your positioning to make that save.
He could start some danger here. Shot! Oh, he had a great chance to shoot there, and he did, but it was answered by the glove. Puck covered, whistle blown.
Farjestad can't expect another save like the one we...
Just a bit under 5 minutes. Farjestad moves the puck through center ice. Takes a shot. Blocked. In their own end, pressing on with it. Nicely into the zone. Farjestad couldn't get it going on this power play.
Sometimes the power play's out of sync from the second they drop the puck. that was one of them. They didn't move it well. They didn't skate with any speed into the zone. They didn't get set up. That thing was a write-off.
Linköping's in their own end, hopefully shifting from defense to offense here. Fires a shot. Score! Only one perfect goalie remains now.
The goaltender was surprised at how quick that snapshot got on top of him.
Enzo, this has got to be a great shot because from my angle, there doesn't look like a lot of net, even with the goaltender down, to have most of it covered.
Linköping's gotten the lead here, breaking the tie in the third period. What a raucous ride to the finish we're going to have. You don't have to chase. They chase you. Shot. Lightning-like reflexes there. Great glove save.
Time of the goal, 7 minutes, 29 seconds.
Linköping's continuing to probe up the wing. Waffle boarded. Wonderful chance was set up and the pass just goes wide. Linköping.
This game has been tightly contested the entire way. I can't see either team stretching this out at this point. A close finish is at hand.
And yet again, here is Ray Ferraro.
It's all night. What a great performance.
He has been out there, Ray. He has been out. Just over 9 minutes to be played. It's a 1-0 game. A face-off win. Let's see what develops. Makes that play deep. And picked up now by Johansson. Got a piece of that one. Right near the line. Can he keep it going? That pass along the boards. Clips that wrist shot. Linköping's on the move, hoping to wheel it up the wing. Takes it right back. Corralled by Johansson. And he steps across the line. Taken over again. To Carlson. Gains the zone and looks over his options. Gloved. He covers and holds on. An enormous dips-off win. Färjestad lugs it along the side. Into the attacking end. Solid defensive position there. To the point it comes. Cranks a shot. Great point-blank save.
A missed opportunity from this close in.
And he gains the zone. Off the mark.
So that's the way you shoot a hockey puck. Just over the top of the net.
1 minute left.
Solid neutralized poke check. We are in the 60th minute out of 60. It's kitty cornered in. Working hard up the boards. Above the net. Wonderful chance. Free puck off a defender. Nice pass right up the gut. Färjestad's yanking their goalie. Nothing to wait for here. Got a piece of it with the glove. That play is offside, and so back to center ice for the faceoff. The cage is vacant. Chance taking time. So important to win the next face-off now. And they've won the neutral zone face-off. Swept on to Eriksson. Shot not too strong, pad stop. from the outside. Save! Horn sounds, game over. Linköping's got a splendid conclusion to this one. They have won it.
It was never in doubt, Doc. They really earned this one.
Terrific contest. Two teams gave their very best. See you next time.